With the new iOS 26 update, you can now create custom ringtones on iPhone without needing to use any additional apps. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create custom ringtones on iPhone in iOS 26. Now let's get started. If you haven't updated your iPhone yet, check out this video to learn how to upgrade to iOS 26. To get started, all you'll need is an audio file that's under 30 seconds long in MP3 or M4A format. Download or save your audio file to your Files app. For this example, I'm downloading royalty-free ringtones from Pixabay. Then open your Files app and open the audio file you want to use as your ringtone. Tap the Share icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Use as Ringtone. You'll then be taken to your ringtone settings, where your audio file will be added as a custom ringtone and set as your current ringtone. Repeat these steps to add any more custom ringtones you want to create. Once added, simply tap the ringtone you want to use to select it. That's all it takes to create a custom ringtone on iPhone in iOS 26. If you have a video you'd like to use the audio from, check out this tutorial to learn how to convert a video to an audio file. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.